YouTube, we're going to show you what was wrong with our son of a digger straight out of the box. Hard to believe that it actually had problems before you ever even went out the door. Alright guys, real quick video. You hear my kid yelling in the background. He's on the other side of this wall playing Mario. He got Mario World for Switch 2. And he got a Switch 2 for Christmas from his grandparents. So anyway, just disregard his yelling and screaming. He's having a great time. So this is our LOSI LMT son of a digger. She's big and she's bad. First impressions out of the box are not perfect. It really hurts my feelings to sit here and tell you this just because I spent so much money on it. The steering on it is nowhere near what it needs to be. So we took it outside to drive it and figured out real quick something's not right. So we're going to turn our remote on, turn our truck on. Alright, so that's with our steering trimmed all the way to the right. It's still turning left. You got a little bit of turn with your servo, that'll get it straight, but otherwise it's horrible. If you turn your steering trim to about centered, this is what you have. So from the factory they've got the horn off on the teeth. So I'm going to turn the truck off here, turn the remote back off. I'm going to pop the screw out of the front. I didn't size this up before I started the video, unfortunately. See what size we get here. That's it. 2.5 millimeter hex. We'll put it in our handy dandy. Maybe. Well. There we go. Trying not to bust a servo. Okay, so there's our screw. Had some Loctite on it. Pretty proud of that. There we go. So now we're going to turn the remote back on. Turn the truck back on. Now, we're going to make sure our steering trim right here is centered, which will be up and down. You can turn it left, right, whatever. But now that it's straight up and down, I'm going to take it and try. Yeah, it goes right on there. And the tires look almost perfectly straight. That's what we want to do. Try to get this started here before we put a drill to it. Make sure it's threaded. That way we don't cross thread the servo and ruin our day for sure. Alright, so now that it's tight, I'm going to turn the truck back off. Then we'll turn the remote back off so we don't waste our battery. Now we're actually going to tighten this up and torque it. You don't want to do that with a servo on because you could damage the servo. Where's that? There we go. There we go. Now, let's turn the remote back on. Turn the truck back on. It'll do its thing, and then we'll see if we have a left and a right turn. There you go. Look at that. So, 3 of these coming out of the box, 2 of them are wrong. The king sling's wrong, and the son of a digger. So, now we got her fixed. We can take it outside and run it. I will tell you, on 2S, this thing feels extremely underpowered. On 2S on a king sling, which runs these little bitty tires, it acts like it's got enough power. But these big ones, they just break it down. So we're going to run this on 3S next time it goes out. Boy, she looks absolutely epic though. Don't forget guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell button so you can get notified.
Do it again.
It was going, yeah.